In the heart of the Australian bush, a tiny flame flickers. Meet the red-capped robin. With its striking crimson cap and delicate frame, this little bird dances. Through the dry woodlands, a burst of colour against muted earth tones, it flits from branch to branch, its boundless energy captivating all who glimpse it. As the sun sets, golden light bathes the landscape, and the robin's vibrant plumage glows like embers in the fading light of the arid scrubland. It's not just a visual delight, the robin symbolises resilience, thriving in arid scrub and harsh terrains where few others flourish under tough conditions. Every chirp and flutter tells a story of survival and beauty, reminding us that even in toughest environments, elegance can flourish and thrive brightly. The red-capped robin, nature's miniature masterpiece, igniting our hearts with its charm and vibrant colour as it thrives in the rugged bushland environment.